In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get approved to sell all types of brands and in different categories on Amazon. So stay tuned so you can learn how to get ungated. All right, everything I'm about to say right now is key to getting ungated. All right, so you found the source of the product that you want to add to your storefront. Now you want to make sure that you purchase 10. All right, purchase 10 units because that is the minimum. Purchase 10, and when it comes to checking out and you're about to purchase, make sure the information that you put, like your billing information and your shipping information, needs to match with the information that's on your Amazon account. That is key, all right? You order below 10, they will deny you. If your information does not match to your Amazon account information, they will deny you. So make sure those match up, all right? Now, once you order it and it gets delivered to you, the next steps are simple. Once you have the invoice in hand, you want to take a photo of the invoice, then take another photo with the invoice next to the products. If you have an iPhone, you want to edit the photo of the invoice alone. And the only thing you got to do is just mark it up, all right? You want to circle information like this, the logo and the invoice right here. Circling the important information just helps them simplify, because there's times where I didn't circle anything and I just upload it and they deny me even though it's an invoice. And the next thing I did was just circle everything that's key and they just approved me after. So you want to circle the brand name. All right, if the word invoice is next to it, you could circle everything along with it. But in this case, you could just circle that right there. Bill to, all this information right here is important. Circle that. Circle ship to. So they know, all right, that this is the information that's also on your Amazon account. Now, the billing could be different than your shipping, but you just want to make sure that the information is the same information that's on here is also on your Amazon account. So even if the bill to information is different from ship to, this information right here is also on your Amazon account. All right, just make sure it's there. You have the order date, so you want to make sure you circle order, order number, order date, the quantity of the item, circle the actual product that you purchased. That's about it. That's literally it. That's all you have to do. And then if you're doing it on iPhone, just send it to yourself via email so you can upload it on your Amazon Seller Central account via computer. And then that's that. As you can see, brand approval request for Olay. Now, this is pretty old, as you can see, 2022, but this is the same method I use with all my products that I need to get approved for. For a while now, people have been saying you can get ungated with just a receipt, but I've tried it in the past. It did not work. I've only got approved with an invoice. Now, if you're having trouble getting approved because you don't have an invoice, you really need one so you can start selling on Amazon. In the description, I will drop some information for you guys so you guys can have a higher chance of getting approved. But this is the ultimate way to get ungated. So if you guys like it, please subscribe.